Okay, here's a good trick or a quick technique for when you're multiplying by 12 through 19. So here we have this number. We're going to be multiplying 42 times 12. What we want to do is we want to put a dot on either side of this number here, 42. You can put little dots like this. Now, as an alternative, you can place zeros on either side. Okay, big zero, little zero. If you could remember what the original number is, remember we're multiplying by 42. We're not multiplying by 420. We're multiplying by 42. So what I recommend to do is put dots instead of zeros. Put dots on either side. Okay, in this case, the dot equals 0. Okay, so here's how this goes. We're going to say 2 times 2 plus 0. So 2 times 2 plus 0. So 2 times 2 plus 0. Okay, that gives us 4. So we'll go ahead and write our answer. We'll write it up here. So 4. Next we're going to say 2 times 4 plus 2. So first we did 2 times 2 plus 0. Now we're going to say 2 times 4 plus 2. So 2 times 4 plus 2. Okay, that's 8 and 2. That gives us 10. So we write our answer up here. We're going to write a big 0, carry a 1. Next we're going to say 2 times 0 plus 4. Okay, 2 times 0 plus 4. Okay, that's 0 plus 4, that equals 4. So then writing it up here at our answer here. We get our answer, and then we're going to carry over that little 1 there. So we get our answer as 504. Okay, so we're just going 2. We're taking this number, multiplying it, and then adding the previous number. So we're taking the 2, multiplying it, and then adding. And then taking 2, multiplying, and then adding this number. And then taking 2, and then multiplying it, and then adding the number before it. Okay, so it's kind of a simple pattern. You're just multiplying, and then adding this number. Multiplying, adding the previous number. Multiplying, and then adding the previous number. Let's try another example problem. Okay, so how about 32 times 13? Okay, remember, first thing we're going to want to do is put a dot on either side. Okay, then I'm going to say 3 times 2 plus 0. 3 times 2 plus 0. Okay, 3 times 2 plus 0, that gives us 6. So writing our answer up here again. We get 6. Next, we're going to say 3 times 3 plus 2. Okay, 3 times 3 plus 2. So that's 3 times 3 plus 2. That's 9 and 2. 9 and 2 give us 11. So bringing it up to our answer up here. Big 1, carry a 1. Next, we're saying 3 times 0. 3 times 0 plus 3. Okay, 3 times 0 plus 3. Okay, that's simply the number 3. Bring it up here to our answer. And then, of course, that 1's going to carry over. So we get our answer as 416. Okay, let's go through another example problem. I think you're starting to get the hang of this. We're just taking this number, multiplying it, and then adding the previous number. Taking the number, and then next step, multiplying the next number, and then adding the previous number. And then we're taking this, multiplying it here, and then adding the previous number. Okay, so how about 62 times 14? Okay, remember, first step, you're going to put a dot on either side. And once again, the dot represents the number 0. Okay, alternatively, like I said, you could place a 0 on either side. So if you have the number 62, you could put a 0 on either side. But the reason I don't do that is because it might confuse you. Are you working with 62 or are you working with 620? You see, maybe another idea that you could do is you can make small zeros on either side if you wanted to do that. Just for fun, just for the way I learned it is I just put dots on either side. Just say the dot equals number 0. Okay, so we're going to take 4 times 2 plus 0. So 4 times 2 plus 0, that gives us 8. So writing up here on our answer, we get 8. Next, we're going to say 4 times 6 plus 2. 4 times 6 plus 2. 4 times 6 plus 2. Okay, 4 times 6, that gives us 24. 24 plus 2 gives us 26. So we write a big 6, carry a 2. Next, we're saying 4 times 0 plus 6. So 4 times 0 plus 6. Okay, that's 0 and 6, that gives us 6. And then carrying that 2 over, we get 868. All right, let's try multiplying a number by 15. So let's say 15. How about 92? 92 times 15. So once again, we put a dot on either side. Okay, step number 1, we're going to say 5 times 2 plus 0. 5 times 2 plus 0, that gives us 10. So we write a big 0, carry a 1. Next, we're going to say 5 times 9 plus 2. So 5 times 9 plus 2. Okay, 5 times 9 gives us 45. 45 and 2 equals 47. So bringing that up here to our answer, we write a big 7, carry a 4. Next, we're going to say 5 times 0 plus 9. 5 times 0 plus 9. Okay, 5 times 0 is 0. 0 and 9 give us 9. So bringing that up here to our answer, 9. Now we're going to carry over. So this 1 carries over to the 7, and the 4 carries over to the 9. So we get an answer 1380, 1380. Okay, let's do another one. Let's multiply by 16. So multiplying some number by 16. How about 16 times 16? Okay, so we're going to put a dot on either side. Okay, step number 1, 6 times 6 plus 1. 6 times 6 plus 1. Excuse me, I'm sorry. 6 times 6 plus 0. Okay, remember these equal 0. So 6 times 6 plus 0. So 36 plus 0. That equals 36. Next we're doing 6 times 1 plus 6. 6 times 1 plus 6. Okay, that's 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Okay, so taking the answer 36, we're going to write up here. Big 6, carry a 3. The 12 we write up here, that's going to be a big 2, carry a 1. Last step, we're going to say 6 times 0 plus 1. So 6 times 0 plus 1. Okay, that's 0 plus 1. 6 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 give us 1. So taking that up to our answer here, we just write that 1 like so. Next, we're going to carry over. So we're going to answer 256, 256. All right, let's try multiplying by 17. So let's do 51 times 17. Once again, we're going to put little dots on either side. Step number 1, we're going to say 7 times 1 plus 0. So 7 times 1 plus 0. Okay, that's 7 plus 0. 7 plus 0 gives us 7. Writing our answer up here. Next, we're going to say 7 times 5 plus 1. So 7 times 5 plus 1. Okay, 7 times 5 is 35. 35 and 1 give us 36. So writing up here, we're going to write a big 6, carry a 3. Next step, we're going to say 7 times 0 plus 5. So 7 times 0, and then add the previous number. 7 times 0 plus the previous number. Okay, that gives us 7 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 equals 5. Bringing our answer up here. And then, of course, we're going to carry over that 3, so we get 867. Okay, next problem, multiplying by 18. How about 83 times 18? So we're going to put these dots on either side. I'm going to say 8 times 3 plus 0. So 8 times 3, and then we add the previous number. 8 times 3, add the previous number. Okay, 8 times 3 gives us 24. 24 and 0 is 24. Bringing our answer up here, we're going to write a big 4, carry a 2. Next, 8 times 8 plus the previous number. So 8 times 8 plus 3. Eight times 8 gives us 64. 64 and 3 give us 67. So bringing that up here, we have a big 7, carry a 6. Next, we're going to say 8 times 0 plus 8. So 8 times 0 plus the previous number. 8 times 0 plus the previous number. Eight times 0 is 0. 0 plus 8 equals 8. Bringing that up here to our answer. Okay, now all that's left to do is carry over. So it looks like we get our answer starting at the right, 4. 2 and 7 give us 9. 6 and 8 give us 14. Okay, last one, multiplying by 19. So times 19. And let's do 52. 52 times 19. So we're going to say 9. Draw the dot on either side. And say 9 times 2 plus 0. So 9 times 2 plus 0. Okay, 9 times 2 give us 18. 18 and 0 give us 18. Bringing our answer up here again. We have a big 8, carry a little 1. Now we're going to say 9 times 5 plus 2. So 9 times 5 plus 2. Okay, 9 times 5 gives us 45. 45 and 2 give us 47. So bringing our answer up here. Big 7, carry a 4. Next we're going to say 9 times 0 plus the previous number. So 9 times 0 plus 5. 9 times 0 plus 5. 9 times 0 is 0. 0 and 5 give us 5. So writing our answer up here. Okay, now we're just left over to do the carries. The 1 carries over into the 7, and the 4 carries over into the 5. So it looks like we got an answer 988. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this little video on multiplication by numbers 12 through 19. Fairly simple technique. You're just going to be multiplying it by the digit and then adding the last digit before it. So multiplying it and then adding the digit before it.